and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a quick unboxing. I've just received a parcel from the brand Lula. They're like an online shop, does lots of natural beauty and skincare. And I thought I would just quickly unbox it and show you what I've got. I actually haven't looked at this yet, so I'm really excited. And I can't even remember what I got. Rue's here on the floor and he wants to unbox as well. For sure, he'll definitely be my little helper in this video. So let's get going. Always the hardest bit, getting into the box. So whenever I do my online beauty shopping, I either buy from Lula or I buy from a brand called Content Beauty or Content Beauty. I don't know which way you pronounce that one, but I love both of those shops. So, wow, I'm so excited. So the first thing I got was this contact sponge, and this is in charcoal, I think. So I've seen these before and I've always wanted to try them. Apparently they just exfoliate your skin, deeply cleanse, refine pores, removes water-based makeup, works with or without cleanser, and leaves skin radiant and rejuvenated. And it's suitable for sensitive skin. So I'm going to open this up. It's got a weird little handle, which is quite funny. And it feels like I could crumble it almost. It's a really weird, dry, super dry texture. It's like a pumice stone actually. But yeah, I think the idea is that you just wet it and you're going to use it to exfoliate your face. This is exciting. I'll definitely do an update about the contact sponge and I'll let you know how it goes. Next up is a repurchase. This is from my favourite beauty brand. It's the RMS Living Luminizer. Just comes in a little cardboard package, and then once you open that up, it comes in a really nice reusable container. This is so good. I use their foundation all the time and it's just the most beautiful balm consistency and so shimmery and gorgeous. It's just, I'm not even sure you can see that, but it is so good. I might even put some on. You can see it then. And I was thinking, you know, as I get more pregnant and also when the new baby arrives, I am definitely going to need some more of this. So that's why we purchased it. And they're quite expensive, that's why I didn't get it for a while. They're about £30, I think, but they do last a really long time. But Rue is playing on the floor, putting all the stuff out. There's no plastic in the packaging at all. It's just that sort of fuzzy cardboard stuff and he loves that. So this is a kind of interesting purchase. This is something I wanted to review on the blog alongside another few natural alternatives to perfume that I have. This is the Walden Rollerball set. And these are natural perfumes. In this little pouch it contains the scents A Different Drummer, A Little Stardust, Castles in the Air, See the Moonlight, The Solid Earth and Two Eternities. But this is a sample pack, so it's not that expensive. I think it was £12. And it comes in a really nice cloth pouch. Now just undo it. Come on. This is completely like too much for me. I don't know how to open it. Maybe I can just get in. So let's have a look at these. Oh wow, I am so excited. So you can see there that they're just little tiny roller balls. They're so cute. And they have all those different scents. So will I put one on? Let's do it. Okay, I'm going to try the scent A Little Stardust, because that sounds pretty. I can't really smell the thing right now. Just rollerballing it on. Sort of like a powdery, fruity, yangy yang kind of scent, but really nice. And like I said, I'm going to review those properly in another video. This is just, you know, a little bit of an unboxing. Okay, so the last thing I got was this sample of Tinted Day Cream by Dr. Hauschka. Now, I wanted to get a sort of like a BB cream or a CC cream, so I came across this and I thought, well, they have a sample, so I'll buy the sample and see how it goes. It just comes in a little tube, and let's have a look. I was a bit worried this would be a bit dark, so this is why I didn't go for a full packet. Oh, it is quite dark. But again, I was thinking, you know, when I have the baby, I want something which is going to make me look a little bit more bronzed, but without foundation. I hate wearing foundation or anything like that when I've got a newborn. So actually you can see it doesn't make that much of a difference. I can see in daylight it's very gently tinted and there's a nice sheen. And it smells lovely. It smells like the Dr. Hauschka has that lovely herbal scent, which it has. So actually I'm really impressed with that. It's not too dark at all. It's not oxidizing on the skin. It's very much just like a tinted cream. He's now crawling so much on me I can't move from this position. I'm going to show you what he's up to on the floor. Hold on. This is what is happening. Mess. Naughty baby. I think I'm going to go now and clean up this mess in Rue's bedroom. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful to you. I'll link everything below and I'll have full reviews of all those products coming your way super soon. So thanks for watching. Bye.